Well, Kushi, in this video, we are going to learn a very easy verb and an interesting topic in French. This video is relevant for anyone who's learning French. The screen which you can see is from the HSC 11 standard textbook, Rencontre, lesson number 5, grammar. So, the verb jouer is a regular ER ending verb, is conjugated just like any other ER ending verb. The endings of ER are what? Je, I, tu, es, il, elle, I. Then we have nous, ons, vous, ez, il, elle, plural, ent. These are the endings. So it is also conjugated accordingly. Jouer means to play. Now it can either be to play a sport, a game, or to play a musical instrument. Okay. So example. Normal examples before any sport or something. Les enfants jouent dans le parc. The students play in the park. Okay. Next, Marcel joue le rôle de Macbeth. Marcel plays the role of the Macbeth. These were normal examples. Now, when you want to say I play a certain sport, at that time in French we use jouer plus a, o, a la, a, l apostrophe, aux plus the name of the sport, which means to play a sport. Okay. Jouer plus a, o, a la plus sport means to play a certain sport. Example, Tiger Woods joue au golf. Tiger Woods is a golf player. He plays golf. So it is au golf. Masculine singular, we use au. For feminine singular, we use a, la. For masculine feminine, but beginning with a vowel we use what? A, l apostrophe. For masculine or feminine, but for plural we use aux. So next video is about au. Next example is about aux. Mehdi joue au jeu video. Mehdi plays video games. So it is plural, na? So for plural we have aux. Mehdi joue video. So Mehdi joue au jeu video. Mehdi plays video games. Now moving on to the second part, which is what? When you are talking about some instrument or some musical instrument, at that time you will say jouer plus the L apostrophe, the la, des plus the instrument of music. To play a musical instrument. Du is for masculine singular, the la is for feminine singular, del apostrophe is for singular but beginning with a vowel, and for plural we have des, and for negative it is de. Okay, so tu joues bien de la guitare. Guitar is what? Feminine and singular, so you will say tu joues bien de la guitare. De la for feminine and singular. You play well the guitar, or you play the guitar well. Next example. Les musiciens jouent du violon dans l'orchestre. The musicians play violin in the orchestra. So violon is masculine and singular. For masculine and singular, we have du. Okay. So very easy. Jouer, normal verb, er ending verb means to play. So for play, we have two different categories. Either it can be a sport or it can be musical instrument for this topic, this relevance. Okay. So for sports, we have what? A, O, ala, aux, etc. For musical instrument, what do we have? The, du, the, la, des, etc. I hope this topic is clear. Very easy topic. This is for our knowledge purpose. Okay. These are the two exercises given. Try to solve this. Do let me know if you have any doubt in the same. See you in my next video. Till then, bye bye. Keep learning.